In June 2023, Mags Murphy lost her 18-year-old son, Seán, after he collided with a pillar on a scrambler bike.
My Seán never been on one before, and he decided to go on one and went down the road. He lost control and went straight into a pillar due to how powerful the bike was, and died. My Seán was 18 years of age.
The death of Grace Lynch has brought up a host of emotions for Mags, and Grace's mother's interview earlier this week deeply affected her.
I was absolutely devastated when I seen the video of her mother speaking, and she said that her daughter was mangled. My Seán was mangled as well. I'm calling for a complete and utter ban on all of them. They're too dangerous, and too many young lives have been lost due to these things. If you're going to, make sure you have the proper equipment. They're off-road, they shouldn't be in estates. Train, you need to go somewhere, you need to try to work these things. They're very powerful there. One little skid off of it and you're gone. You know what I mean? Head injuries, body injuries, you're gone.
You can read the full story on the Irish Independent.